आज हम फिर से देख रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 7.2 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5। राइट द factors are the following numbers. Okay, A 32. Okay, so that 32 is equal to 1 into 32. 32 is equal to 2 into 16. 32 is equal to 4 into 8. Okay, so that the factor of 32 is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. Okay, B 95. So that 95 is equal to 1 into 95. 95 is equal to 5 into 90. Okay, so that the factor of 95 is 1, 5, 19 and 95. Okay, C 99. Okay, 99 is equal to 1 into 99. 99 is equal to 3 into 33. 99 is equal to 9 into 11. So that factor of 99 is 1, 3, 9, 11, 33 and 99. Okay, D 27. 27 is equal to 1 into 27. 27 is equal to 3 into 9. Okay, so that the factor of 27 is equal to 1, 3, 9 and 27. Okay, now question number 6. Write the smallest and greatest factor of 36. Okay, so that the smallest factor is 1. The smallest factor is 1 because 1 is the factor of every number, and greatest factor is 36, number itself. Okay, question number 7. Write the smallest and greatest factor of 30. Okay, so that 1 is the factor of every number, each number. Okay, so that the smallest factor of 30 is 1 and greatest factor of 30 is 30. Okay. Now question number 8. Find the missing factor. Missing factor in each of the following. A. 8 into blanks is equal to 64. 8 into 8, 8 is 64. B. Blanks into 9 is equal to 99. So that 11 into 9, 11 9 is 99. C. 5 into blanks is equal to 35. So 5 into 7, 5 7 is 35. D. Blanks into 3 is equal to 24. So 8 3 is 24. E. 4 into blanks is equal to 60. 4 15 या 15 4 60. F. 6 into blanks is equal to 48. 6 8 48. ओके. इसके बाद जो आ रहा है काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट, वो है आपका टेस्ट ऑफ डिविजिबिलिटी. ओके. तो डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 3, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 4, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 5, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 6, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 8, डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 9 एंड डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 10. ये आपको अच्छे से याद करना है. ओके. तो डिविजिबिलिटी बाय 2, द नंबर दैट हैज़ one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 will be divisible by 2. For example, 84 is divisible by 2 because its unit place or one place is 4. Divisibility by 3, any number will be divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. 69. The sum of digit is 6 plus 9, 15. So that 15 is divisible by 3. Divisibility by 4. If the number formed by the ones and tens digit of a given number is divisible by 4 or it has 0 at ones and 10 places, okay, then the number will be divisible by 4. For example, 416, 16, unit place and 10 place. Unit place is 1 place is 6 and 10 place is 1. So that 16 is divisible by 4. So that the number 416 is divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5. The number whose ones digit is 0 or 5 will be divisible by 5. 425 is divisible by 5 because its ones digit is 5. Again 360 is also divisible by 5 because its 0 is, it has 0 at ones place. Divisibility by 6. Any number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Okay. 463, 468. Unit place is 8. So that the number is divisible by 2 and the sum of the digit is 18. 18 is divisible by 3. Then the number is divisible by 2 and 3. So that the number is divisible by 6. Divisibility by 8. Any number is divisible by 8 if the number formed by the last 3 digit is divisible by 8. Last 3 digit. For example, 120. 120 is divisible by 8 because the number formed by the last 3 digit, that is 120, is divisible by 8. Divisible by 9. Any number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 9. Okay? 963. The sum of digit is 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 3, 18. So that 18 is divisible by 9. Divisibility by 10. Any number will be divisible by 10 if its ones digit is 0. Okay? तो ये डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट आपको अच्छे से याद रखना है। तो आप ध्यान रखेंगे कि देख के ही बता सकते हैं कि कौन सा नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होगा, 3 से डिवाइड होगा, 4 से, 5 से, 6 से। ओके, थैंक यू।